my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. This video almost exactly 1 month overdue because a month ago, new issue of Vogue Knitting 2017, Late Winter 2017 came out and I have 2 designs in it. So for me, it's a big step. It's kind of next step in my career to be published by Vogue, Soho Publishing, and of course it's a big honor. So it's my first publication there, and I hope it's not the last one. So the idea was to show you those designs in kind of 3-dimensional space, so you can make a decision on your own if you're interested in making it, if it's worth your time. So first one I'm showing you is design number 23, and that's what I'm wearing. It's called Lace Cowl, and that's how it looks like on the page of a magazine. So they did beautiful photo shoot, but you know, it's Vogue. They always have gorgeous photo shoots. The one in a magazine is done with pure cashmere, and it was absolute heaven to work with it. It's a set of 6 mini skeins in ombre colors, kind of it goes like from light to dark or dark to light, by Jade Sapphire Exotic Fibers. And for my own sample, I could not get my hands on these gorgeous fibers, so I used something else. And I encourage you, if you're interested in design, you can use any fiber you want. And it doesn't even necessarily have to have this ombre effect, you know, from light to dark or dark to light. So this design, original design is about 9 inches long, so you need a scarf and then you put ends together, so it's endless loop. Original, the one in the magazine that was done in the cashmere, is 9 inches wide and 43 inches long. So you can double it or wear it as a single loop. The one I'm wearing now is also 9 inches wide, but it's 60 inches long. So I can show you, it's actually a pretty big loop, and you can wear it as an infinity scarf. And as you can tell, it goes from dark to light and comes back again. But again, you can do whatever you want. You can use fingering weight, decay, or worsted weight, so whatever, and you make it as long as you want. So design itself is not very complicated, but I think it's very visual, and it's got enough texture, and I really like those big eyelets. So it's fairly contemporary look. It's got fairly contemporary look, but at the same time timeless. So I hope you like this one, and it's on page 69, and it's called Lace Cowl, design number 23. So wait 1 second for another video, for another design. I'll be right back. I'm back, and I'm showing you my second design in the same issue, and it's a scarf and a hat. So it's design number 13 on page 55, and I'll show you how it looks like in a magazine. So it's beautiful photo shoot on the streets of New York, and the sample is done in a beautiful shade of green. The fiber for original one was Cascade Venezia worsted, and it's a combination of wool and silk. So I loved working with it. It was my first time, and I loved it. This sample I made with a blend of alpaca and acrylic, so it's the same worsted weight. But it's soft, and I feel in love with the color. I've never been a big fan of pink and lilac shades until 2 years ago, and now I'm obsessed over it. So all soft kind of pinkish hues is my kind of thing right now. So what is so different about this scarf? So first of all, it's 2 yards long, so it's 72 inches. It's very long. It's tube scarf or sleeve scarf, so you're working around like a long sock, and you start with the ribbing with the smaller needles, then you change to cabling with the larger needles, and to finish it off you do the same thing. You change to smaller needles and finish with the ribbing. With the hat is the same. Start with smaller needles, work your cables, and I'll show you how it looks like in a different color, but on a shape, like on a form. So it's a slouchy hat. It fits actually pretty well, and it's very comfortable. I love the cabling here because they're lofty, and they're not boring, even that they're not overwhelming. So, and they have this kind of contemporary feel. So tube scarves are very much in, and they will be in for some time, so it's safe to make them for for a while. So, and it's for both, for boys and girls, works the same. It's gonna be very trendy thing for maybe a year or two ahead of us. So I hope you like my designs, and I would be more than happy and very much honored if I see your samples on Reverly. And I hope you like it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.